Hi guys, what's poppin'? What's good? You welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hey, kindly join the family by subscribing and turning on the notification bell so whenever I post a new video, you get to know firsthand, like immediately, yo. And if you're a returning subscriber, oh my gosh, thank you so very much for coming back again. All right, so today I'm going to be showing you guys or doing a tutorial on how to actually get turning twist. So my hair is a natural, it has no relaxer in it, and I think I watched it like 3 or 4 days ago when I loosened it from the knotless braids that I had. So I let my hair rest for a very long time because you shouldn't make hair back to back because your edges are going to hear it if you do that. And yeah, basically I just let my head to rest, and yes, I will be doing the hair right now. So I'll be needing water in a spray bottle. Yes, I have my oil in another spray bottle. I have my parting comb. I've got a wide tooth comb, yeah, for brushing out. And yes, basically that's what I'll be needing. And of course, yes, I have my what's it called, hair cream. Yes, so I'm going to be using that for the root of my hair as I part. I'm not going to be using a lock and twist because I really did not want to do this because tomorrow is my birthday. Anyways, by the time this video will be out, it will be on Monday, the 13th of June, my birthday exactly. So yeah, it will be my birthday, clocking another extra year. Yeah. So because tomorrow is my birthday and my nails are not done, I don't have my lashes fixed, my hair is not plaited, I'm just looking like what I don't understand. So I just decided to do something really simple. So yes, I'm going to be doing turning twist on my hair. Yep. So here it goes. So firstly, I'm going to be starting with water. I'm just going to spray my hair with water because it would make it much easier to detangle. And of course, when you're detangling, don't forget to detangle from the tip down to the root so you have very, very low breakage. Okay, so after detangling, I'm going to section my hair into 4 and tuck the 4 pieces away just so that it'll be easy for me to work with the hair because a head full of hair. Okay, so now one of the reasons why I'm not using a leave-in conditioner is because I don't want to have too much product in my hair. I'm just recovering from dandruff, and trust me, it was a very tough battle, honestly. The hair cream I showed you in the beginning of the video is an anti-dandruff hair cream that was recommended to me by an hairdresser. So I've been applying that at the root of my hair and it has really, really worked wonders, honestly. So I don't want to have too much stuff on my head at all. No. So that's why I'm just sticking with water and the anti-dandruff the anti-dandruff hair cream, and of course the oil I'll be using towards the end of the video. So my hair is sectioned into 4. Yeah, so the 4th part is what I'm going to work with. I'm going to detangle it very well and I'm going to part. Just like I said, once you're able to manipulate your way through the pattern, then you're good. Honestly, you are good. So this is me just sectioning my hair and applying the anti-dandruff hair cream on my parts, and that's it. Then section it into small bits. So I'm going to show you exactly what I'll be doing. So section out the small portion you want to work with at first, then section it into 2 smaller parts and just twist and twist and twist and twist and twist. That's it. That is just as simple as ABC. Honestly, this is a style that took me less than 3 hours. I spent 2 hours 41 minutes doing this here, and in between I stood up, did a lot of things, pressed my phone for a little while, so it wasn't exactly 2 hours 41 minutes that I used. Well, they are not super mini, they're just medium size, so yeah, it's absolutely easy to do. So just keep on twisting it like you see me do in the video. Yep, make sure that your hair is a little bit damp. All right, so Once you feel like your hair is getting dried up at certain points, then you can spray it. That's the reason why you need the water. And if you're comfortable using a leave-in conditioner, if you don't mind, or if you want to use a lock and twist, then sure, please go ahead and do that. So yeah, this is what the strand looks like. Wooza. Beautiful, innit? Yeah, sure it is. So this is me sectioning another part of my hair, and I'll be showing you how I will be doing this again. Yeah, like so. Just follow what I'm doing in the video and you will definitely be able to make your own hair too in no time, no matter how short your hair is, because obviously my hair is not super long. So 2 smaller twists and just section like so. Now when you go to an hairdresser, or when I've seen some YouTube videos that recommend braiding the hair first before you start twisting, like you braid it like 2 or 3 times before you start twisting the strands out. For me, I'm not going to recommend that, because I've done that before, and when I want to loosen the hair, when I was ready to losing the hair, it was a tough battle. Honestly, it was really tough, because the braided parts, I wasn't super patient enough. I just had a whole lot of breakage, and I just told myself that nah, this ain't for me. And of course, once you have a good grip while you're twisting it out, like once you separate into 2 smaller sections and you want to twist it out, make sure you have a good grip and you're twisting it firmly, then yeah, you're good to go. It won't come out easily. You won't have very loose strands. And me, I like the way the root is loose, because it even has more volume to the hair on my head. It does, honestly, and I just like it, and it's much more easier to loosen out. So this is what the back looks like. This is me trying to figure out another part. Honestly, the back is the most but I did it. Yeah, so just stay tuned. Yeah, at a point, yeah, I had to change the outfit I was wearing, because I'm wearing a hoodie currently right now, and it was so hot. I just had to remove it in order for me to be comfortable and have fresh hair enter parts of my body. Yeah, so this is what the back looks like, and I'm ready to work with the front section of my hair. I'm reparting the middle and adding my anti-dandruff hair cream as it goes, and tucking out or tucking away the parts or the section that I'm not working with just yet. And this is me just working with the front section, and I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to be twisting. Now, I did not add any hair gel whatsoever to my hair. I did not add an edge control or anything, because just like I said, I don't want too much product in my hair. Beg, please let me rest. So I just made sure that I had a good grip of the root, and I twisted it firmly and just twisting out the rest. Now, I was spraying water as I was doing it, because the strand felt really dry in my hands, so I just added water. And water is absolutely good for the hair. So yeah, why not? Just keep twisting it. Twist it, girl. Just keep twisting it like so. Yeah, and you can do this style on any hair, no matter how short or how long it is. Just follow the procedures and you're going to be good to go. Yep. So that's just it. I really did enjoy the process, honestly. I'm not going to lie. See me feeling myself, like, damn. Okay, so I'm progressing, honestly, and at this point, I wasn't looking excited because I just wanted to be done. But I was so excited about the results, because I'll be rocking my hair anyhow I want. And one of the reasons why I love this hair is because it is so easy to maintain. Absolutely easy to maintain. In about a week, that's like 7 or 5 days from now, I will definitely wash it, and I don't need to loosen it before I wash. I'll just wash and let it air dry. You get what I mean? So this is me twisting it. Can you see that twist? See how beautiful it is looking. Honestly, if you're not an hair fan, God, you can't really understand what I'm saying. But if you are a fussy hair fan, damn, then you know what I'm saying. So this is me just twisting it, honestly. There's several times when I've considered, cutting my hair. Honestly, it is a thought that crosses my mind every time. But when I think of the beauty that I want to cut off, I'm like, Nah, let me just leave it. So this is me just feeling the hair once again. Once your hair is stretched out, you see the full length, but your 4C hair recurs so much that you just wonder where the length went to by the time it shrinks. Anyways, I was progressing and I had just one more strand to do, and I was so excited about it, like damn. And of course, you can put oil on your hair. You can use coconut oil, aloe vera oil, you can use shea butter oil. You can use all those essential oils that are super good for the hair as well, but don't add too much. Just add little quantity and let it soak in, and that's it basically. Yep, so I'm gonna be adding oil. I added oil rather when I was done. Yes, see me feeling the air like okay. And of course, after I added the oil, I tried different ways to style it, and of course I'll be doing another video that would be uploaded subsequently, probably tomorrow. Yep, about how to style 4C hair. You can do a middle part, you can do side part, you can have a little scanty fringe in front and pack it towards the back like I'm going to demonstrate now. A scanty fringe and just pack it to the back like so. Yep. All right, guys, thank you so much for stopping by and staying tuned till now. I really appreciate it. If you've not subscribed, please make sure that you just hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because I've got amazing content loaded up coming up. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one that I'll be making. Have a blessed and a beautiful day ahead. Bye.